Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these pickleballs. Recently started playing pickleball. It's a lot of fun. So these ones are easy to carry. They're crack proof, consistent bounce, high visibility. They meet the standards for the pickleball regulations. Superior flight, suitable for indoor or outdoor, and durable. So here we go. There's 16 of these guys in there. And we can see that there. Nice and solid. If you hit them, they're not going to dent in. Some are like pickleballs, just less quality. These ones seem pretty nice. So we got 16 of these. So if you do play a lot of pickleball, and I believe this comes with a bag also. So got a bunch of these in there. And on top of that, we have a couple of orange pickleballs too. So check those out. These ones seem to be a little bit bigger holes in them. It's kind of neat. So there's that. And it comes with this nice bag, so we can carry them all. Then just keep them in our garage or something. Just put them on a little hook there. So that's kind of nice to be able to just carry these around easily. Go to the pickleball courts or wherever you're playing, and just be able to keep these handy. So let's get them all in there. Our pickleball court's actually in our backyard, so kids have been known to hit the ball over the fence, you know, and that can lose some balls sometimes that way. So it's nice to have extras. Get that last one in there. And just like that, that's kind of nice. All tidy and in one spot there, so cool. All right guys, let's go out and play some pickleball and test these out a little, shall we? Got some good bounce on them. Got extra balls here. Play a couple little rounds of pickleball. Oh,
I was in.
All right. Not the baby. Well, my friends, so you can see, got a lot of extras here. They're work really good, you know. Got some. Don't really seem to be any weakness to them, so they're not like caving in when we hit them or anything like that. But it just seems like a nice extra bunch of pickleballs. So if you are a pickleball player and need some extra balls, thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day.